Hey y'all, so I just got a random download. So you could be seeing a lot of 333, 444, 444 on the time clock right now. I saw three things that were red, three people walking by, and three crows just fly over me. So I don't know what's going on with the number three or what's going on in the threes. Three flies underneath where I just stepped. Did not mean to walk over there. Sorry, y'all. Get out of here. My clock also read 43 when my battery percentage read 43. So something about 43, 43, 12, 12, 1, 1, 1, 11, 11, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5, 6, 6, 6, 6, 5, 6, 7, 7, 7, 8, 8, 8, 8, 1, 8. I got birds over here stalking me. Thank you. Nature really does help me unwind, declutter, especially when you're in the midst of cleaning everything out that's old, getting the old out of your life to prepare for the new beginnings. I spent half my day yesterday cleaning out my whole phone. Not that I had anything bad in my phone, no, but just old numbers, old people that I don't even talk to anymore, old photos that I need to get rid of, anything that brings back any memories or was toxic in the past that needs to go. Whatever triggered me in my past that just turned me into a cold-hearted bitch, to be honest, 100%. When you know who helped build that toxic part of you, that definitely shows you what you don't want in your life, what you don't want around your future kids, who you don't want your father, their father of your future kids to be. I'm a protector, so I want my man to be a protector like me, even if that means from our parents.